Hi everyone, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I would like to wish everyone happy Ramadan. And in this video, I would like to show you how to cook chicken biryani. It's very easy and simple, also delicious. You should try it at home. And let's get started cooking. Chalo! Okay everyone, this is all the ingredients which we need to cook chicken biryani. Alright, this is a very simple version of recipe, special recipe from my mother-in-law, which she will help me in the kitchen a little bit during the cooking process. So let's get started cooking. I'll explain to you each and everything, all the ingredients which we need. Let's start with 1 kg of chicken, 1 kg of onion chop, and 1 kg of rice, half teaspoon of food coloring, yellow color, mixed with milk, and then 1 teaspoon of chili powder. If you want more spicy, you can add some more. 1 teaspoon of salt, and then 1 package of biryani masala. You can get any biryani masala in the store. And then 5 pieces of chili, green chili for garnish, and then 1 piece of lemon cut into slice, 1 cup of yogurt, 1 cup of oil, and 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Let's get started cooking everyone. Alright, first step is I'm gonna heat the stove and I'm going to pour the oil. We need 1 cup of cooking oil, and then we're gonna add 1 kg of onion chopped into thin slice until it's golden brown like this. And then we're gonna add 1 kg of chicken, which we wash it clean, nice and clean, with a little bit of lemon squeeze so the smell won't stay. And I'm gonna shake it a little bit. Alright, just keep stir it for 2-3 minutes. Alright, and then we're gonna move on to 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, and then stir it until the smells comes out. And then we're gonna add 1 cup of yogurt, and then we're gonna stir it. Alright, just keep stirring it for about 2-3 minutes before we add tomatoes and green chili puree. This is 4 to 5 tomato and 5 green chili, which I cut and grinded with the food processor. I forgot to mention earlier. And then we pour it right after the yogurt, and we're gonna shake it for a bit until 3 to 4 minutes. Let the water a little bit dry, and then we're gonna add some masala. Let's start with the salt. 1 teaspoon of salt, and then 1 teaspoon of chili powder. If you like spicy, you can add some more. And then 1 package of biryani masala. You can choose any brand as you like. Alright, and then let's stir it for about 5 minutes until the oil comes out and the water dried. Let it sizzling for a while and keep stirring it until the water completely dried and the oil comes out, and off the stove and let it rest. Meanwhile, when the chicken is resting, then we're gonna move on to the rice. First, boil the water with 3 tablespoons of salt, and then once the water is boiling, add the rice which we have soaked it before, and then drain the water when the rice is cooked, and spread oil all over the pan, and then pour the rice, first layer of rice on the pan and spread it all over the pan, and then we're gonna add first layer of chicken and spread it all over the rice, and then add another layer of rice and spread it all over the chicken, and then we're gonna add the rest of the chicken and again repeat the same process. Spread it all over the rice. This is my mother-in-law help me with this process of setting the rice layer by layer, and then we add all the rest of the rice, put on top of the chicken, spread all over until all the chicken well covered, and then she's gonna add the green chilies and the slice of lemon for garnish. And don't forget, the last step is half teaspoon of food coloring yellow color, which we mix with 1 tablespoon of milk, and then cover it with a towel or clothes, anything you have, and then cover the lid and let it cook for about 15 minutes, steam in low flame. That's it. And here it is, a very simple and easy recipe from my mother-in-law, which everyone will love it for sure. It's delicious, easy, fast, and yummy. Please try this at home. Alright everyone, this is the end of the video. I hope you guys like it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and comment. Please don't forget to subscribe me on my YouTube channel and support me. Alright, thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.